What's up, guys? We got a 2018-19 Mazda CX5 here. We're going to change this engine air filter. So the air filter is this guy right here. We're using premium guard. This is like a $25 filter. You can pick this up from AutoZone, Pep Boys. It doesn't have to be the same brand. So this is what it look like. So to take out this filter, you have to kind of go in there. See these tabs here? There's one tab here. There's one back there. There's got to be two more. Let me kind of focus down there so I can see. Okay, there's no there's only two tabs. So next you need to kind of go with this housing, kind of like come forward and up and out, and that's how simple this is. So you see that? So this filter, it's probably been there for a long time, so it wasn't so bad, but we're going to change it anyway since we have it. So the filter is universal. You can get this in there. Okay, very easy. So it does have two little notches on this side, and make sure you pay attention to this wiring back here. So same thing, I'm gonna get the back end to go in, and then I am gonna capture the front. There you go. So the back two notches are not in yet. Almost in though. There you go, they're in, and this goes in, and all you're doing is lifting up the two connectors. Bada bing, bada boom. Make sure this is nice and solid. You don't want no dirt going in there. So I just want to show you guys. So there's a clip right there, clip here, and in the back you have two little earlobes. So thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. See you guys on the next video.